In this presentation, we'll show you the quality of this service and what distinguishes it from others. The goal is to make your system safe, efficient, reliable, and as quiet as possible. An air conditioning tune-up starts at the air handler or furnace. Here, our technician is removing the door to ensure that the door switch cuts power to the unit. Once all moving parts have come to a rest, he will inspect the blower wheel fins for debris buildup and the blower bearings for excessive play. Some blower motor bearings are oil packed, and lint buildup on the motor can cause oil to wick out of the motor, so we try to keep the motor clean. Other motors have oil ports and need a few small drops a year. Little vibrations cause connections to come loose, which, if left to their own devices, could cause problems down the road. Filters are a big topic. Say the most important thing for your equipment is that dust goes into and not around the filter. Remember those vibrations? Well, refrigeration fittings need to be tightened as well. And if you have a green watermark that came from the uninsulated refrigerant line, that condensation should be draining out of a pipe, and it can sometimes become clogged, and if the water backs up, it usually ends up on a circuit board somewhere. Some homes don't have floor drains, and they depend on pumps to take water away. It's not a bad idea to pour a little bleach into the pumps to kill the mold. Part of an air conditioning tune-up is to shut down appliances that aren't used with air conditioning, like humidifiers. Finally, we're the outdoor unit. Here our technician is disconnecting power to it, then setting the thermostat on so he'll be able to control it from outside. Here our technician tests for even the smallest refrigerant leaks. If you're not afraid of spiders, this may be the line of work for you. Critters love to get into the air conditioning, and they are responsible for damage every year. Some components may only need a visual inspection by a trained eye, while others need to be tested to ensure uninterrupted service and avoid costly repairs. Some air conditioner compressors have small heaters that keep oil from collecting in them, and we test them to make sure they're operational. Listening to the way the outdoor portion of your air conditioner starts can give us clues about the stress it may be under. Here our technician is using electronic instrumentation to test for proper refrigerant flow and airflow. Keeping your condenser coil clean is one way we help to lower the cost of air conditioning during hot months and lessen the wear and tear on the compressor and fan motor. There may also be oil ports on the outdoor fan motor that need a few small drops a year. Last but not least, your thermostat. Thermostats that never seem to be able to keep the temperature right can cause you to throw off the covers at night when it's too hot and then find yourself shivering in the cold later. Thank you again for viewing this presentation. We hope it was helpful.